Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn money online, and starting with Amazon Associates and ShareASale is easier than you think. First, sign up for these programs. It's free and straightforward. Once you're in, dive into their vast product catalogs. For Amazon, think about your interests, books, gadgets, or home goods, and find products that resonate with your audience. With ShareASale, explore niches like fashion or tech. They have thousands of merchants to choose from. Next, create engaging content around these products. Write honest reviews, make comparison videos, or share how-to guides. Use your unique voice to connect with your audience. Don't forget to include your affiliate links. Promote them on social media, blogs, or YouTube. Track your performance, see what works, and tweak your strategy. With consistency and creativity, you can turn affiliate marketing into a rewarding income stream.